What actions will you take when your Windows PC suddenly fails to display anything? So in this video, here are a few solutions you can try to fix your monitor not turning on when starting up your Windows device. Now what you need to do first is to check your monitor on all the video connections. It is also possible that the monitor is not turning on due to a loose or damaged cable connection between your monitor and your computer. So carefully check that all connections are firmly attached. Now if any looking worn or damaged, search them out for new cables. Moreover, in some cases, a simple reboot can also solve the hardware or software issues. So if the cables are all connected and your computer is still not displaying anything, give it a restart and check again. If it still doesn't work, disconnect all plug-in peripherals. If you're using an external devices like scanner, USB, or printer, temporarily disconnect them and restart your computer. Compatibility issues between hardware can also sometimes be the culprit of the problem. And lastly, if you've gone through the steps mentioned and your computer still does not display anything, it is time to check for your hardware issues. Consider taking out your RAM and then cleaning it, as dust can sometimes cause issues with the display. Now you have to make sure to also check for any loose cables or connections on your motherboard. But if the issue persists, you may need to replace your graphics card or other components. So those are the fixes if your display is not turning on when you're booting up in your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.